Imagine sending emails and instantly grabbing your audience's attention. With BIMI, that's possible. Brand Indicators for Message Identification, or BIMI, attaches your logo to authenticated emails. This boosts recognition and builds trust with your recipients. BIMI works by publishing a record in your DNS. When your email lands in BIMI-supported inboxes, your logo appears next to your message. This process enhances email security and protects your brand. 3 key benefits of BIMI are: it elevates your brand's credibility, improves email deliverability, and encourages better engagement from your subscribers. Standing out has never been easier. What sets BIMI apart? While it's not mandatory, implementing it shows you prioritize email security, keeping cybercriminals at bay. Don't miss out. Leverage BIMI to enhance your email campaigns. Start today by checking your BIMI record with EasyDMARC's free tool. Make your emails unmistakably yours.